This crate is upsetting me. Oh yeah, that's this crate. Oh God. Oh wow. Huh. That's not good. My pedal's soft. What's up? This is Casey from Caseyscustoms, and I am giving away this 1954 Chevy whenever I hit 100K subscribers, whenever that is, hopefully sooner than later. In this video, we're gonna take this old girl for a drive. Let's go! We are working on the traditional 1954 Chevy. Traditional build means everything that I'm doing on the build is basically what they would have done in the 60s. And in this video, we are gonna drive it, so help me God. I gotta get all the brakes done, gotta get the fuel lines done, and then we should be able to throw some gas in it and hopefully take it around the block. Let's go. First thing I gotta do is get it all up on jack stands, get the wheels off, get all of the brakes off. We're gonna replace all of the brake shoes, the wheel cylinders, and then I'm gonna make all new lines. So let's dig into it.
Me down again. Hold up. I'm so in love with you. You got me down.
Great news, I got all of the shoes replaced, all of the wheel cylinders replaced, and all of the hoses replaced. I need to do the brake lines now. I'm gonna make all these from scratch. I got an awesome brake flare tool. I don't know if I've showed on the channel before. This is not a sponsored thing. I got it on Amazon rather. It is the best tool I've ever bought, and I should have bought it forever ago. As far as like brake lines go, by far the best tool I've ever seen. It takes like 2 seconds. Let me show you. All right, check this out. Operation 1. Boom. Operation 2. Boom. Look at that. It's absolutely perfect, and it can flare it like 5 different ways too. I should have bought one of these 15 years ago. I mean, it's perfect. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Check it out. I'm going to go ahead and do it again, all the way from the beginning, putting the line in and everything. Goes in, that goes in. This goes here so that we got it in the right spot. Operation 1. Operation 2. Perfect every single time. I love this thing. I just made this line. This is just for one of the back sections in what, 30 seconds? All right, let's do some lines, baby.
Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, hold you down till you dry. I might rent the Lambo and go drive the ocean. Swimming in your water, but it feels just like the ocean.
Check it out. The lines are done, front and back. Everything comes up here. Now I'm going to start bleeding them by myself, which is always fun, but we should be able to knock it out. And then, once I get these bled, we will move to the fuel line side. I don't think I have to change anything on the fuel line. I'm going to update a couple hoses, but I shouldn't have to redo the whole lines because the other day when I had the motor running, the fuel pump was actually spitting out water. There was just a little bit of water left in the tank because I washed the tank out. So I think I don't have any leaks there, but we'll find that out when I get done with the brakes. Check it out. We got our handy dandy brake figure outer checker. This is patented. You can buy these from me on my website for $2,000. Very expensive. It does not come with the 2x4. You got to get that yourself. Sorry, I don't want to hear about my prices. But I did get that jammed in there, and check this out. We got brakes, baby. Oh, yeah. Now, this one had a little leak. Oh, good, good, good. Got them all fixed. We have brakes working. So excited. I'm going to throw a little bit of gas in it. I'm going to start checking some lines. I'm going to go ahead. I think I have a bad rubber line back here from the fuel tank. I'm going to crawl under there and look at that first, and then we're going to throw some gas in there and see what happens. So it's getting Whoa! My hair looks fucking crazy. So it's getting hot out, and I just took the cover off this AC. This probably hasn't been started in 6 months. I'm gonna fire it up, see if it's still working. Why would you stand in front of it? Why wouldn't you just turn it on and move? I probably just got cancer. I love you all. Why is it not cold? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. She's not cold at all. That's not a good sign. Oh, no, it's getting cold. All right. All right. Oh, it stinks. I probably need to drain it. Okay. Back to the gas tank. My bad. Okay, I got my fuel line hooking up. Looks like the fuel pump is working, but the fuel coming out of it looks horrible. I don't know how that's possible. I cleaned it all out, but maybe the lines were real dirty. I'm gonna just try and run it out, and we'll change the filter again. Ah, it's looking a little better. Getting close. Look at that gas. Oof. Here, let me take you outside so you can see it. Look at that. There's actually chunks in the bottom. Oof. Not happy about that. And that's the bad thing about using original stuff, is you just kind of have that. Let's see how bad this looks. Oh, it's just orange. The only good thing is it still smells like gas. So I think I have a tail light on. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. I'm gonna run it probably a little bit more with this filter. This is a brand new filter, but I don't trust it now, obviously. I'm gonna run it a couple more times with this, and then if this starts to get cleared out, I'll put the new filter on, and maybe we can try and get it to run from the fuel pump. But we'll see. Check it out. He's running from the fuel pump. Holy cow. So we got brakes, and we got a car that's running on its own. Oh, I think it's time. Let's throw some wheels on, take her for her drive. I'm excited. That gas actually don't look bad at all. I'm very impressed. I definitely needed to get rid of the first fuel pump, or the first fuel filter though, because it was very bad. Okay, I think we're good. I realize I don't have a chair, so I found a crate. We gotta do the old crate challenge, which is fun. Oh, there goes. That's too easy. Haven't had to do that in a while, but I used to do all my test drives with a bucket or a crate, so I should be used to it. I think everything is cool. I don't know. Like I said, I still haven't pushed the clutch in yet on my own, and I probably should have tested that while I was jacked up. But we're gonna figure it out. I also haven't put it in gear. I'm trying to move the clutch, so this could all go horribly wrong, but let's fire it up and see what happens. All right, it's time. Woo. We rolling? We're rolling. That's my oh shit switch. Oh cool, gauges are working. This crate is not great. Oh, the crate just broke, all right. I don't know if that clutch is engaging enough. Oh, it is. I don't know what gear I'm in though. Nope. Is that reversed? Nope. What about that? Okay, that's not good. Oh no! Oh, crap. I don't think the bushing's moving enough for reverse. It should come back. And then that should be... no, shit. Oh, no. This isn't moving enough. I got something unattached, or I got something unhooked. Well, at least I got to test that out. Well, that sucks. I didn't realize that shifter wasn't working all the way. Right there, it should go down more, or up more rather. Is it stuck? Yeah, everything's hooked up, so it must just be the shaft is bad. So let's think here. How can I do this? Oh, no way. All right, let's see what happens. Not in love with that. My crate's gonna break. Definitely should have picked something better than the crate. Okay. Now, yeah, that's third. I'm trying to take off in second, I think. Oh, that might be first, actually. No, that's second, too. Oh, shit. Oh no, why? Why are we doing this? No way! Okay, so absolutely horrendous first drive. The starter locked up at one point and it just wouldn't stop turning. That freaked me out. I was 99% sure something was gonna blow up. Then I ran out of gas. I only put like 2 gallons in it. I figured that would be good. Apparently whatever angle I got it in, either that or maybe I have a clog somewhere, I don't know. Ran out of gas in the middle of the alley and there was one person coming up the road and one person going down. So I had to like push it out of the way by myself. I was so pissed. And then after all that, I got a couple things figured out. I got it fixed. The battery died. It was an old battery. I got so mad I threw the battery up in the air and it exploded. I needed a second to regroup myself. Oh, and while all that is happening, my alarm goes off on my phone because I have to go pick up my kid from school. So I had to just leave the car was like, not in the middle of the alley, but not in the middle of the alley. It was kind of like halfway. People could get by, but it was not great. I had to go pick him up from school. It was a pain in the ass. Anyways, I was like, that's fine. That was a bad day. We'll start the next day. The next day here in Missouri, it was 22 and snowing. So I went from 78 to 22 from one day to the next. So I lost all of yesterday because of horrible weather. Today, it's still cold. It's only like 38, but the sun is out, which is nice. So I got gas put in it. I got a better battery. My column shifter was locking up and I thought sometimes the bushings go bad in them. You can't shift it out of gear. That's not what was happening. It was letting me shift out of gears. I just couldn't do it from the column and I found out what it is. The ball socket on this column shifter is actually rusted solid and it will not move. So what I did was I unbolted it and when I slide that up, I can actually shift it out of, I can go to first and reverse, second and third. It only needs to move up about that much, but when that's rusted solid and it just won't do it, you only can, you can't get out of gear. I was stuck in second and third, so I was trying to drive it. I was trying to go uphill in second gear. Obviously that wasn't working good. I got the battery in it. I got some gas in it. We're gonna fire it up now. Hopefully everything is working okay, and then maybe we will try this drive again. But I haven't tried to start it yet, so let's see what happens. Perfect. There we go. Okay, good. Sweet. Oh, that makes me so happy. Take it out. Pumping our gas. Well, no, it's not. It stopped pumping. Pump? Oh, no, maybe it didn't pump gas. Oh, no, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Okay. Okay, cool, cool, cool. All right, let's throw it in gear and see what happens. All right, so I can shift it now, but this crate sucks so much. I can shift it now, but I still don't remember which way I need to go. This crate is upsetting me. Oh yeah, that's this crate. Oh God. Oh wow. Huh. That's not good. My pedal's soft. This crate is gonna make me bust my ass while I'm driving it. That's the problem. Definitely should have got a proper seat. That was problem number one. All right, let's see what happens. think I might have a brake leak because my brake went all the way to the floor and it shouldn't be. Okay. We definitely gotta get something better than this crate. Yeah, definitely lost some brake pedal last time. Alright, let's see if I can get it in. It actually runs and drives. I've got to do something about this crate though. Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm so excited. I have no idea why that brake light is on though. I got to figure that out. I am so excited. That was awesome. It actually runs, it drives, it stops. Obviously, sitting on the crate does not work very well for me. I kept falling off the crate and I couldn't get my foot all the way to the brake pedal or all the way to the clutch. And I was like, I'm going to run this freaking car through my shop and I'm going to be pissed. It was pretty funny. I'm really happy though. I always say you learn more in a 5-minute drive than you do a 6-month build. Now, obviously, I haven't been working on this one for 6 months, but the principle is the same. There's a bunch of stuff we need to fix. The crate is one. I need to have an actual seat before I take it out of the alley because I would not trust that on a road. You know, the crate breaks or I fall off of it and then I'm just going, 25 or 30 and I can't stop. That'd be horrible. So we definitely need to get a seat mounted. Also, my brakes lost some of the pedal. They still stop, obviously, but yesterday I couldn't push the brake pedal all the way to the floor. It would only go, whatever, 6 inches. Now it goes almost all the way to the floor, so I've lost, quite a lot of braking power there. So something is wrong. I have a leak. Something overnight or in the 2 days it sat, something has leaked out, so that we need to figure that out. Also, radiator fluid. I put 2 gallons of radiator fluid in it today, and I have no reason why I should have. I saw no puddles anywhere. It's obviously not in the motor. Either I didn't put enough in to begin with, which could definitely be true, and it finally running it kind of soaked it all up, or we have an issue there. So I definitely need to keep an eye on that. Over the next couple days when it's sitting, I'm going to start checking for leaks to see if everything is okay. What else do I need to work on? I also need to get new rear shocks. It currently has no shocks on it, and even though I only went 100 feet, I was just bouncing all over the place. So I definitely need to order some rear shocks. I was waiting to order those because I didn't know my exact length. I can go ahead and get those ordered now. We'll have those ready for the next episode. I also need to adjust my front driver's side shock. Driver's side is actually down about an inch lower than the passenger side. I think I might have put one of the old bushings in the shocks instead of the new bushing, and it's just smashed down to nothing, so we need to fix that. So I'm going to order a bunch of parts. In the next episode, hopefully, we'll fire her up, get her out on the road, and see if we can't get it up to speed. But we definitely have a lot of stuff we need to work on. We're not really shifting right. We're not really braking right. And I'm not really sitting right. So those are all bad things to have happening whenever you're actually moving in a very heavy car. Stay tuned for that. Also, if you haven't heard, I'm actually going to give this 54 Chevy away for free whenever I hit 100K subscribers. I think I'm at 47K right now, so it might be another year before I hit 100. Hopefully, we can knock it out in a couple months if you guys start hitting that subscribe button, and I will give this away to one of my 100,000 subscribers. So, let's do that. Love ya. Thanks for watching. Peace!
I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie.